Hello everyone, Tausif here. Today's topic is how to launch your first Amazon PPC campaign. Before delving in, you must know that without a little push, it's tough to get your products noticed by potential customers searching for what you offer. That's where PPC comes in. PPC stands for pay-per-click. Basically, you create targeted ads that appear when shoppers search for relevant keywords. When someone clicks your ad, you pay a small fee. PPC can skyrocket your traffic and sales if done strategically. Let's break down exactly how to set up your first campaign using the step-by-step guide. Campaign Manager. Log into Seller Central and head over to the advertising section. Here, you'll find the Campaign Manager, your PPC command center. Give your campaign a clear name and set a daily budget you're comfortable with. Pro tip: start small and adjust your budget based on results. Campaign type. For beginners, automatic sponsored products is a great option. Amazon will find relevant keywords and placements for your ads. Targeting. You can choose to target by product or let Amazon handle it. Budget and bidding. Amazon suggests bids, but you can adjust them based on your goals. Launch and monitor. Once everything looks good, hit that launch button. Keep a close eye on your campaign's performance using the handy reports in Seller Central. Use cases and pointers. Let's say you sell handmade leather belts. Use keywords like premium leather belts or designer leather belts to target relevant searches. Monitor your ACOS, advertising cost of sale. This metric tells you how much you're spending on ads to generate a sale. Aim for a healthy ACOS that fits your profit margin. Negative keywords are your friends. These prevent your ads from showing for irrelevant searches, saving you money. For example, if you don't sell iPhone cases, add iPhone as a negative keyword. If you're new to Amazon or want to take your PPC game to the next level, comment below and let me know. I'd be happy to help you craft a winning PPC strategy to grow your Amazon store. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Amazon seller tips and tricks. See you next time.